Gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We are in negative MACD. We're at oversold levels with the RSI. With the 4-hour chart, we're dipping into negative MACD territory. We're at oversold levels with the RSI. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD, seeing signs of a diverge. And as with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG. My trade position size for is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $22.83, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $24.68. My stop loss is at $22.48. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $25.79, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $23.20, and my stop loss is at $26.97. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, and we're examining UNG. As we progress to the 5th day, or week of trading, natural gas has a 25% chance to climb between 0 to 6%, and to the downside, it has a 75% chance to fall between 0 to negative 6%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.